2, 3, 4.
Hey Banda, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are a group of sisters who share our journey through our faith. We do reviews, we do beauty, lifestyle, and also makeup. So please hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that notification bell so that you can be informed every time we upload a video. And if you're returning, welcome. Thank you so much for sticking with us and for coming back. I have a video that I'm super excited about today. Now, I don't know if you know this about me, but I would say that I'm the frugal sister. Now, my sisters will tell you otherwise. I'm not like MTHUNZI'S, who likes to buy makeup on a daily basis, and I definitely love a bargain. So today I'm going to be showing you my take on Quick Beat kit. You like that, huh? Anyways, so I went shopping, or actually I have been going shopping, I want to say for the last week, trying to get different products for my kit. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. My son seems to take precedence over everything, and I just never have the time to do everything and still be able to look presentable by the time I'm going to work. So I thought, what better way than to make a quick kit that I can do my full face with, but on the go. So that's how this concept came about. So the basis of this kit is you're supposed to do your full face with just the products in this kit. So the lip bar has a similar kit. This is MTHUNZI'S. I told you she's a sister that likes to spend a whole lot of money and is very lazy. So I thought to myself, I'm just joking, MTHUNZI'S not lazy, but she definitely likes to spend a lot of money. So I said, MTHUNZI'S, let's make a deal. If I can buy a full face of makeup under $50, you're going to have to give me some shmoney. So MTHUNZI'S, you owe me some shmoney, honey.
Me and my shmoney.
Anyways, so that's where this kit came about. And I genuinely just do not have the time to do my face before I go into work. I'm a full-time mother. I work full-time. I'm trying to be a full-time YouTuber. I'm trying to be a full-time many things. So with that being said, this kit should cut down my get ready time. And what I'm hoping is I should be able to do a full face with just the products in here. So I'm going to show you what I was able to pick up. Everything that is in this kit is under $50, and it was for a bargain. Everything was actually lower than $5, and I was able to get, I'm gonna show you what's inside in a second. But I will be doing a video soon where I do my full face with just the products in here. And I did want to mention that my foundation and my concealer are on the way, but everything was under $50. I'm going to insert pictures of all the prices and how much everything costs, so that if you're thinking about doing the same thing, that maybe you can go into the store and look for these products as well. Now, I did want to mention that makeup, at the end of the day, everybody has different skin types, different skin tones, and what works for me might not work for you. However, you might be able to find these products or similar products where you live, or maybe you're in Zambia or Africa and the products there are different. That's fine as well. You can honestly customize it to however way you would like to have it. The basis is, or the point is, to be able to put all your makeup in one kit, while the lip bar is able to make this kit for you. And if you would like to go this route, please feel free to do so, but I will show you what's in this kit. So if you would like to go with this route, you can do that as well. All right, let's get right into it. we're going to start with the brushes. So these are supposed to be my blush brush, my foundation brush, and also concealer brush. That's what's in here, right? And it came in this little cool case, which I thought was super cute. This was gifted by Sister MTHUNZI'S, the one that likes to get makeup. So we're going to put this in the kit too. This was about $5. So the rest of the makeup I put in this little bag, which is super neat and small and tiny, so I could put this in my bag if I didn't want to carry the whole thing. So I have a slick blush palette. I have the Milani highlight kit. This was only $3.49. I got some Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm in the color 330. This was a gift in one of my work Christmas gifts, but it is about $5 as well, so you can get this if you would like to. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, and both are super cute. They have transition color. Well, this one has a transition color, which is why I got this one. And I also like the colors. They're both neutrals, and I am super excited about being able to do some eyeshadow. If I do eyeshadow when going to work, nobody wants to be taken care of by a person who looks like Mchoyo Fisavana. Just saying. And the last things I have is some mascara. And this little case holds all my brushes. Isn't that cute? Look at them, super cute. So this is mostly for my eyes, if I do decide. So the 3 things that I'm waiting for in the mail are my concealer, my foundation, and eyebrow stuff. All this stuff in total only came up to $23. So I still had a little bit of room to get the other things that I wanted to get for my kit. And from what I have calculated so far, it's still way under $50. I think I still have maybe $5 in my budget. So can you all put in the comment, MTHUNZI'S Salima wants her shmoney because she owes me some shmoney.
Bring me the money outside.
Because I was able to get this done under $50. So that was it for this series. I hope that you enjoyed, and tell me some other stuff that you would like to see. Are you frugal like me and don't want to break your bank just buying makeup? If you are, this will be perfect for you. Please leave in the comments if you're going to try this, and if you do try it, please tag me in your videos. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.